Hey everyone, a quick tip for Tableau developers. Let's say I have so many columns in a table view. Select all the columns and place it in rows. So you can see I have so many columns out there. And let's say if I have more than this columns, which are currently you are saying, let's say 20, let's say 50. When you encounter that kind of scenario, you will notice that in case you, a majority of the columns are trimmed out, the column names are trimmed out, and the values are also trimmed out, right? You can see here embarked is trimmed out, and you can see the dots instead of. So how can we deal with this? There are few tricks you can do that. Firstly, you can go each column and adjust the width like this one, but this is not a practical way if there are more than 20-30 columns and the data set is loading again and again. So that would be a challenge. So the second thing you can do is you can go to that column and try to increase the size of the column and choose format and make word wrap on. In this way you can see the values which are marked, which are missing, like in this case passenger id and so on. But this is also not a practical way to view it. The third thing you can do is going to format and try cell size and try to make it wider, but that wideness will be applicable to this marks column, not the columns which are there in the rows. So I tried multiple things and I figured out that the best way you can do is go to cell size and make it bigger. Okay, it will space out each and every cell by doing again and again bigger and again cell size bigger. You can able to view entire word of the column as well as entire values inside the row. Let's say in this name you want to expand more, right? Go to format, go to cell and make it bigger. Okay, now it has reached the limit and now you have to do a manual resize for the columns which have values way too long. So this is how a quick tip for everybody who is working on Tableau. You might have a question in your mind that why these many columns will ever be needed to a client or to a stakeholder. The answer is yes. Currently I'm working on a project which has more than 30-40 columns and they want in a tabular view. Only the format and cell size bigger solved my issue. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.